The SAC file repository comes with its own toolbar, so let's learn how to navigate and interact with SAP Analytics Cloud files. In order to access many of the items on the top menu in the file repository, you first need to select an item. Our first option here, called Create, contains a number of different shortcuts to the different applications also found within the navigation bar. Next, we have the Folder Actions menu. In here, we can create new folders or move objects between existing folders. We next have Edit Details. This will open up just a brief window to edit the name or description of any object. Then we have the Share options. Opening this up will allow you to share objects and folders with other users or teams. Copy To allows you to copy an object or a folder to another folder location. Delete will, as it sounds, delete an item. Draft Data is one that will appear if you are in the process of modeling and you have draft data being brought in. Refresh will simply refresh this list. Upload File will allow you to upload another file into SAC's file repository. The Show Columns button will allow you to designate what columns are displayed, like description, changed on, in your file repository view. And lastly, the Filters option will allow you to filter what sort of files and objects that you see in the file repository.